don't know, somehow I feel like the phone video camera doesn't just do justice to the wind. Jerry and I tried to walk to the lake. We didn't get very far. There's Jerry. Say hi, Jerry.
How you doing? You see the icicles on my beard?
Look at that, look at that. Oh, here's another poor soul on the streets.
Hi, how you doing?
Anywho, that's our adventure. Chicagoans making lemonade out of lemons. Good times. Here's what Chicago looks like from the top of the tallest mountain of snow. See all the snow. There. It's Chicago. It's Chicago. And there's Jerry down there. Jerry, wave! Pretty crazy stuff. And this is me on the top of the creek. This is us standing in the middle of Lakeshore Drive. The only traffic are bulldozers and clouds. Oh, and there's foot traffic too, I guess. See, there's Jerry. There's